Good morning, children. Welcome back to exercise number 12.2 of Heron's formula, question number 8. The question goes like this. A floral design on a floor is made of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Okay. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per cm square. Means the cost of polishing that tiles will be 50 paise per cm square. Okay. Now you can see the figure here. It is the floral design. Okay. Now each petal design is divided into 2 triangles. Likewise, how many triangles are there? Total 16 triangles are there, and each measuring 28 cm, 9 cm and 35 cm. So we have to find the area of one triangular floral design. If we get for one, after that getting the area, we can multiply with 16 to get the area of the floral design, total floral design. Okay, after that we'll find the cost of polishing the tile. Now let us move with the question solution. Now the question solution goes like this. Question number 8. The triangle is likewise and this measurement is 28 cm, this is 9 cm and this one is 35 cm. Okay, now you can write the sides of one floral design triangle are 28 cm, 9 cm and 35 cm. Okay, therefore A equals to 28 cm, B equals to 9 cm and C equals to 35 cm. Now A, B, C is given, so we can find S, that is the semi-perimeter. S semi-perimeter equals to perimeter upon 2. We know that perimeter means A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equals to here. A means, what is the value of it? 28 cm plus 9 cm plus 35 cm. Now upon 2. Now on adding this all, we'll get 72 upon 2 cm. Now that is on cancelling, so equals to 36 cm. S equals to 36 cm. Now S is known to us, A, B, C is known to us. Then area of one triangular tile is equals to square root of Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, or the square root unit square. Now put the values of each. That is, S is how much? 36. Again S is 36 minus A is how much? 28. Again 36 minus B is how much? That is 9. and again 36 minus 35. And what is the unit here? cm. So cm square. Now equals, put the bracket. This 36 will come as it is. Now 36 minus 28 is how much? 8. 36 minus 9 will be 27. 36 minus 35 will be 1. Or the square root, cm square. Okay. Now 36 is a perfect square of 6. So we can write 6 into 6. This 8 I can write 4 into 2. Then this I can write how? 3 into, okay, cm square. Now again bracket 6 into 6. This also I can break into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, cm square. Now make pair of each. 6 2 to 6 are there, so pair 2 2s are there, 2 pair. There again double 3, make a pair. Okay, so 1 2 3 pairs are there, that is 6 pair 1, 2 pair 1 and 3 pair. So from the pair 1 1 values will come out of the square root, so that will be 6 into 2 into 3. Now what is left out here? 1 2 is left out, here 1 3 is left out, cm square. So on multiplication of this, how much you will get? That is 36 root 6 cm square. Now root 6 value, how much it is? We'll write. Now we will put the value of root 6, that is 36 into, we know that by long division method we can find the value of root 6 in fractions, that is 2.45. In class 8th we have learned this, how to find the square root of any numbers. Okay, so that will be cm square, which is equals to, on multiplication of this we get how much? 88.2 cm square. Okay, so this is the area. You can write area of one tile equals to how much? 88.2 cm square. Okay, so now how many tiles are there? How many tiles are there according to the question? According to the question, there are 16 tiles. So area of 16 tiles equals to 16 into area of one tile. Area of one tile, that is equals to 16 into 88.2 cm square. Now on just multiplying with this, how much you will get? You will get 1411.2 cm square. Okay, so this is the area of 16 tiles. You can write, therefore the area of 16 tiles equals to 1411.2 cm square. Okay, now here cost of polishing one tile is how much? Cost of polishing the tiles per cm square equals to 50 paise. This paise I can write as 0.50 rupees. Okay, or then how many area of tiles are there? How many cm squares are there? You can see 1411.2 cm square. So you can write 1411.2 cm square. Cost will be how much? Rupees 0.50 into 1411.2. That is on multiplication of these two, how much we'll get? That is rupees 705.60. Okay, so therefore you can write, therefore the cost of polishing 16 tiles, triangular tiles, equals to rupees 705.60. Answer. Yes children, now see question number 9 of 12.2. That is, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. Okay, the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the trapezium. Okay, now let us see the question solution. Question number 9. First draw the trapezium likewise. Okay, now trapezium name is A, B, C and D. Okay, draw a line parallel to, draw a line BE parallel to AD. That means now what? ABED became a parallelogram and BEC became a triangle. So this parallelogram, this side is, parallel sides are having 10 meter and this whole distance is how much? Or measurement is DE is 25 meter. Okay, so now EC will be how much? EC will be equals to DC minus DE. Okay, we know that parallelograms opposite sides are equal. That means AB will be equals to DE, as ABED is a parallelogram, is it not? So that means what? Equals to here 25 meter minus 10 meter, which is equals to 15 meter. So this measurement EC will be how much? 15 meter. This is 13 meter. This is 14 meter. Non-parallel sides or measurements are given. So this became a parallelogram, means if this is 14, this also will be 14. Okay. So now in this triangle, in triangle BEC, A equals to how much? 14 meter. B equals to 15 meter and C equals to 13 meter. Okay. So now S we can find. For Heron's formula we need S, that is semi-perimeter. So perimeter, semi-perimeter means perimeter upon 2. Now how much is the perimeter? A plus B plus C upon 2. That means sum of all the sides. Now put the values of A, B and C. We get 14 meter plus 15 meter plus 13 meter upon 2. So on addition of these all we get how much? 42 upon 2 meter. So on cancelling this, how much we get? S equals to 21 meter. Now S we got and ABC is known to us. Then we can find the area. Area of BEC equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, using Heron's formula. Okay, now put the values. 21, now 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 13, and then meter square, which is equals to, now here 21 into 7 into 6 into 8. Is it not? Meter square now equals to, this I can write split as 3 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. This 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2. Now write the numbers, similar numbers close to each other. 2 7s are there, so 2 3s are there, 4 2s are there, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now make pair and write there 7 into 3 into 2 into 2 meter square. That is, on multiplication we get how much? 84 meter square. Therefore, the area of triangle BEC equals to 84 meter square. Okay, now we got the area of a triangle BEC equals to 84 centimeter. And here when we draw in this figure, now in this triangle we will draw a perpendicular to get the height. So we know the formula of a triangle now. Okay, when the height is given over there, so it will be, we know that area of a triangle equals to half into base into height equals to 84 meter square. Okay, now implies half into base is 15 meter into height equals to 84 meter square. Implies height will remain this side and there it will go 84 meter square into 2 into 1 upon 15 meter. So this meter will get cancelled, and here on cancelling this all, how much will get? That is, height will be equals to 11.2 meter. So height h equals to 11.2 meter. Now area of trapezium equals to half into height into sum of parallel sides. Okay, now that is equals to how much? Half. Height we got just now, that is 11.2. okay, into sum of parallel sides means, what are the parallel sides according to the question? 10 plus 25. And out of this one we will write meter square. So now 1 by 2 into 11.2 into, on addition of this we get 35. Okay, and out of this meter square. Now on simplification of all this we get 196 meter square. So therefore area of trapezium equals to 196 meter